I would like to apologize in advance for this very shaky video you're about to see. Not only are my hands shaking a little bit from too much coffee and 2 weeks of a very intense and interesting life, and plus I wasn't using a tripod because there's just no way to get a tripod in here. So sorry. I don't usually do, I'm past the shaky video stage, but this is the best I could do under the circumstances, so I apologize for the shakiness. Have you ever had your AC fan blower, your air conditioning just quit working? Well, mine did, and I think I may have figured out what the problem was. I'll show you. Well, according to my owner's manual, the AC blower relay is in space number 4 of my fuse box, which is up here in the front of the engine, and that would be this one. So I replaced it, and didn't make any difference. Checked fuses, all my fuses are good, and the only other thing that I could actually have easy access to is the resistor. The resistor, which is on the side of the blower motor. I should have brought a flashlight. Okay, here's my glove box. And the blower motor. The blower motor is behind the glove box. Hold on one second. I got a flashlight up here somewhere. There we go. Alright. Well, I guess it's bright enough. This is the blower motor right here. Oh, Lucy, you're driving me nuts. Don't lick my head. And the resistor. Let's see. See that hole right there? Lucy. Alright, I'm going to have to lock you out of here. Doggone it. Get away. That hole right there is where this resistor goes in. It goes in just like this. And I kind of suspected it might have been this, because this here is the plug, the wire that plugs into it. And there's been a couple of times when I had to wiggle this plug to get the fan motor to come on. And I've since come to realize, since it won't work at all now, one second, let me get the flashlight in here and I'll show you what the problem is. Sorry about all this jumping around. See that melted terminal down there, all that melted plastic? That's a $65 part there. Here's the new one. 65 bucks at Ford Motor Parts. Alright, I'm going to put this back in, plug it in, and cross my fingers that that was actually the problem. If not, then I might have a bad blower motor, which is a lot more difficult to get to. It's back in here, and I'll actually have to take part of this dashboard apart to get to it. And of course this is just out of warranty. Just barely out of warranty. So it's all on me. Alright, let's put this together, see if it's going to work. This might be just a bit of overkill. Maybe it's not necessary. But I don't want to have to reach up under here anymore and wiggle this connection. And I got a feeling that the bad connection is what overheated that one terminal and made it melt. So what I did was take a pair of needle nose pliers, and I gave these just a slight little bend clockwise. Doesn't matter what direction you do it in, you could do it counterclockwise. And then I gave them a slight little bend that way. I don't know if you can pick up on the slight arch in there. And I'm going to be real careful getting that plug on there, and I'm hoping it'll fit a lot tighter than it did. And then once I get it on there, I'll show you what I'm going to do just to keep it really tight up against these terminals. And that's what I did to try to keep it tight in there. I put a little zip tie, cable tie on there. Now, I gotta get it up in there. Sorry. No tripod and big hands. Alright. I gotta put a screw right there. You can see right here, and same thing on the other side, but won't be able to let you watch because I need both hands. But I'll turn this on when I get this thing running. Alright, that's what it looks like. Now let's give her a try. I want to thank you, Lucy, for all your help. Oh, I said her name. We have air. Alright, $65 part. You just saved yourself $200–300 at the shop. Try the fuse, try the relay. If that fails, probably the rheostat. Resistor. And if it ain't the resistor, then it's quite likely a blower motor, which is a bigger pain in the butt. Thanks for watching. Oh, this is a 2009 Ford F-150 if that's any help. Take care.